Guys, it's Junior aka Semi here bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here, guys, I'm gonna suggest, and I do mean highly suggest, you go and hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me guys, you never ever want to miss out on anything we do on here, because we got a lot of great stuff on here and we do not want to miss out on anything. So today I do want to go over a great product that I just received. I haven't opened it yet, but from what I read on everything, it is an awesome one, especially for my backpack travelers or stuff like that. As you can see, I mentioned backpack. So what do I mean by that? I got this package right here from WATERFLY. They were kind enough to send me this package to review it. And I looked at, before I agreed to review this, I looked at the quality and the stuff they have about this package. And it was good enough that I said, yes, I'll review it because I do feel good about this product. This right here, this small package right here, I just still no clear package. It is a foldable travel backpack. From what I can see in the pictures that I saw, it's a pretty decent sized backpack. It's like a full size backpack, but how small. But the thing about this one, it is water resistance. The zippers on here are very good. And the texture on it and the toughness on it is really tough and good. But we'll take a look at it as I open it. But as you can see, it's very small, compact. If you do want to put it away, when you're not using it, you can take it here, fold it up to this small, if you can get it back to this small, even close to it, and put it away in the drawer and use it when you need to. But this is good for my travelers, because if you want to travel light or want to take an extra backpack with you on a trip, just in case you bring stuff back, there you guys go. Because I know I've done this before when I've gone on trips. Like I bring an extra backpack, I empty one, put it away, just so when I'm traveling around the city, I can put my stuff in there and keep it secure. Here you go. This is awesome. And the biggest thing I like about it is water resistant, because especially when you're traveling, I live in South Florida. And as you know, it rains a lot in here, South Florida, especially during the hurricane seasons. This is gonna help me if I ever go somewhere that starts raining and I want to put away my stuff. I get protected with my stuff in my bag because this is water resistant. It's not waterproof, but when it comes to rain, it'll block the rain. But if you dump in a pool of water or something, it's not gonna protect it. Simple as that. I'm telling you, water resistant is not waterproof, because people sometimes don't know the difference. So when it comes to raining, this is awesome. So what I'm doing now is I'm gonna open it up and show you how this looks, because I know you guys want to take a look at it and see the features on this. So we're gonna open it up. I'm gonna pop it off this plastic, and it comes in like this. I don't know if this is a carrying case bag, and then and you open it up inside, and then it opens up completely. But all right. And this is the color they sent me, but they do come in various of different colors. And after they had opened, like when I looked at the website, they didn't have over 10 to 15 colors. They had a lot of colors to choose from. So if you don't like this aqua color, they have red one, they got a blue one, they got a black one, they got a white one. Whatever color fits you need. And let me tell you guys, it is very affordable. It's not expensive at all. On the website, they have this on sale for $29.99. 30 bucks, guys. 30 bucks for a backpack, full-size backpack. You can't go wrong with that. And kids, you want to get this for your kids to go to school? Good. You know how kids are very rough at school and they throw their backpack around? The material, I feel it's very tough liner material. Like it feels very tough. Like it can withstand a lot of stuff. Again, it's meant for traveling, but you give it to your kids so they go traveling. So this looks like it is a carrying. Okay, so it does come in. This is a carrying case. As you see, the outside is a carrying case, but inside it's a backpack. So like I said, you want to put this away and store it away when you need to use it. It comes with a carrying case, so you can just put it away, which is awesome. All right. They have it very nicely labeled. It has the tags for WATERFLY, all that good stuff here, all the information. All right, so let's open this up here. Take this out. All right, so I'm gonna go. Oh, wait. I just noticed how they do this. Okay, so this is not an external carrying case, guys. This is part of the backpack. So this folds inside, and it becomes a carrying case to put it away. Because I just see this is part of the book bag. So you have to fold it, and and basically fold it within so it becomes like this carrying case here. So I'm pretty sure this is gonna be the back part of it. So this, because I just noticed that, which that's impressive. So you don't have to have two separate bags. It's part of the bag. The carrying case is part of the bag itself. So you take it out here. I see, look at it. Okay, all the features are coming out. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Okay, I see how it does. Okay, perfect. So basically, the front pouch is the carrying case. So this is where it came out from when you fold it out. See the hooks right here? And so you basically have to fold it within like this and close it up like this. I hope you can tell. I don't want to do it again because I don't want to really fold it because I want to show you everything. So, and then when you open it, it becomes a front pouch kit here, as you can see here. And you can close it, and boom, that's the front pouch. You can store stuff here. And this is the whole book bag here, guys. Look at this. Full size bag right here, guys. Full size. I'm gonna put it on me right now. So you guys see, I'm a big dude. I gotta stretch it out. But I did want to show you every feature on this because I think this is, I'm really impressed with this. For the price, absolutely, I like this. And the thing I like about it already when I noticed it, it has a front locking system. So if you like to hike your stuff and you want to secure it more instead of just making sure it's only secure here, it has a buckle for the front right here. All right, so I'm just gonna show you by putting it on, just because I want to show you how it looks on. It's not gonna be fully out because the fact is, but look, guys, I'm a big dude, and it's pretty decent size. I'm a big dude, so. But this is for like traveling. You want to hike or you want to travel through the city when you're traveling outside of the country or anywhere, and you want to bring your luggage with you. You want to carry some stuff around. This is awesome, guys. Look at this. Look at this. So what I was talking about, that it has this bucket in the front that you can clip here. I mean, you can put it tighter, but of course I'm just gonna leave it loose, and it secures it so it doesn't. You don't lose it. So if you fall or whatever, you fall in the street or you pass out, it's still locked into you. You don't lose it because like you would do normally. Because let's say you fall and you're like, oh, traveling, and then but it comes out, boom, it falls out, and then you lose it. This secures it into place, which is awesome. It's all fully adjustable. You don't have to keep it this high like I have it here. You can always pull it down because as you see right here, you can put it up and down. So that adjusts. It's very adjustable, all around, very adjustable. All right, just go over some of the extra features. So this expands more. It looks small here because, again, I just opened it, so it's very all compact. But you fill stuff up, but you can see it's pretty wide. It's pretty decent size. All right, and like I show you, it has the front pocket here, and it has another top pocket right up here. You can store stuff in here as well. It has pouches on the side, so you can carry your water bottles or whatever you want to put on the side. There you go. It has these patches here. Not patches, locks. So even when it's really stretched out completely, you want to make it smaller, tighter, you can do it like that. A lot of different things, guys. Look at that. All right, so the zippers, they look pretty good. I'm not that good with zippers and stuff like that. And it has also here that I noticed, it has this little hook here. So let's say you have a tripod or something, like a small tripod, you can stick it in here, or you have something that's small enough, you can stick it here so you can carry it here too. So it has a lot of options. This has tons and tons of options. And one thing I did notice while I was showing you guys, it has the whole inside, so it has all divided inside, guys. It has, like if you do carry a laptop or something, it has something to put it right here, or any electronic stuff. It has a pouch here. It has a pouch in here as well, and then the main compartment in the middle here. But let's say you carry something that you want to listen to music and you use wires, or you want to charge something with a battery pack or something. Like if you're using something and you want to put a power bank in here, they have a built-in hole on the side here. I don't know if you can see it. You see that little hole right there? That you can let it out and coming out through here. So if you have something like a portable device and you have your battery pack in here, and you want to run the cable out so you can charge it while you're like filming, recording, or listening to music or something, it gives you the opportunity to put the wire through here and put it to the device and go ahead and enjoy it, which is awesome. It has a lot of cool features, guys. So I think that's it from this video. I have nothing else to show you on here. I think it's a great product, awesome product for a great price, and it works for a lot of different things. Again, kids can use it for school. This is really meant for outdoors, but then again, for the price, you could take this to school. It's very durable. Like, the material is very durable. They want to use this for different things. It has different options, so many different things, guys. I think it's a great backpack. I wouldn't present something that I don't believe in, and I was really impressed when I read the stuff on the site and all the information they provided me. But once I got my hand on it right now, I don't know if you could tell, but my excitement of actually seeing what this does is awesome, and I think it's awesome. So let's go ahead and put it all back together and close it up. So once you're done, let's say I came from a trip, I'm done, I want to close this up and I want to put this away. So what you're gonna do is open this up here. You're gonna open this part up here, the front pouch, and then once you do that, you're just gonna fold everything up as best as you can. I'm gonna fold this way, and you want to fold as much as you can inside here, and then you're gonna take this and flip it inside out. As you see, it's very simple. It doesn't take much. Make sure there's nothing in there, because if you have stuff in there, it's not gonna fold. And once you do that, you close it. Okay, start with sticking out. Boom, guys, look. Right back to the middle backpack that we had, pouch and everything. Now I could just throw it away in the closet and put it away in my drawer or something and use it later on. There you go, guys. Awesome product in my personal opinion. Now, some of you might not think it's an awesome product. That's okay. Some of you might be amazed with this product, and that's great. But it's up to you. I'm just showing you what I've got and what I found, which I think is an awesome product. And hopefully you guys enjoy. So if you enjoyed this video, everything I had to show you today, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring. And we want to make sure that everybody's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so to the end of the video, guys, hit the subscribe button, enable bell notifications, so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one, or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you never ever want to miss out. And that's it for today. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.